All right, welcome everyone. You've asked us multiple times, how does a pigeon taste? And today we are going to take you step by step from beginning to end on the slaughtering, the process, and also the cooking, and we'll give you the results. We want to go ahead. I want to introduce my son. What's your name?
Yehuda.
Yehuda is going to be doing the slaughtering for us, but he wants to describe his great equipment that he's going to be using. Go ahead, man.
So this knife that I have right here is a, I believe it's a 9-inch bubble blade. This right here I use for fishing all the time. Whenever I go fishing, this knife is very, very good, specifically for fishing. The grip right here it's like a rubbery, so it doesn't slip out of your hand. The blade stays very sharp pretty much all the time, and I barely have to fool with it at all. This is a little test here. I barely have to do anything and it'll cut right through it.
That's impressive.
Yes.
All right, so for all of you who are trying to find a fillet knife, you want to get one of those Bubba knives right there. Go ahead, Bubba.
Ready?
I also have my assistant right here, my daughter Anya. She's going to be holding the pigeon. So basically, let me explain to you what we're going to do. We've already tied a string to the feet. And the reason why we've done that, number one, is so that the bird cannot fly away. But what we're going to do is she's going to hold the bird, and then my son is going to extend the neck of the bird, and then we're going to just very quickly slice his throat. What that's going to do is it's going to be less painful for the bird, but also once that happens, we're going to just allow the bird to drain naturally. The blood has to drain biblically too. Whenever you're slaughtering animals, you want to make sure that the blood is completely drained out of the animal. So let's just go ahead. We're going to do 3 of them today. These are 3 homing pigeons that we have that we're going to go ahead and do the slaughtering process. Here we go.
Okay. Should I cut that completely off?
Just slice it.
Completely off? Mom? Completely off?
Okay.
And drop it.
Let it go. Okay, so as you can see, the reactions of the bird is, you can see it's tensing up, but that is a natural process, and the blood is draining. Okay, so that's natural.
Go get the other one.
Okay, and in a few minutes, the body process will stop, and then it will go limp. But we want to make sure that we get all of the blood drained out of the bird, as you can see. Okay, bird number 2. This is our second homing pigeon. My daughter Anya is holding it. Once again, the string is tied up, and my son is going to go ahead and cut the neck off, and we're going to allow the bird to drain, allow the blood in the bird to drain. Okay, go ahead.
Here, come a little closer, please. Yo, Nick.
Okay, so this is real life, guys. This is just nature. These are the things that you will not see when you get food from the grocery store. Okay, we'll go ahead and do bird number 2. All right, this is pigeon number 3. This is going to be the last one. Now, once again, remember, these are our homing pigeons. These are not our utility king pigeons. So these birds are much smaller, and they're not going to have as much meat either. Okay, go ahead. This is pigeon number 3. So he's going to stretch the neck back and just completely sever the head off.
Oh my
Oh,
gosh.
boy. Okay.
That one had quite a bit. Got all over my son.
That
And he's
blood
going to
pressure
have
was
to.
up.
Got my
The
hand.
blood pressure was up completely. So you'll notice that this one is going to tense as the other ones. But the main thing is you want to allow the blood to drain. That's
Daggone
biblical. And you want to make it as quick and as painless as possible for the animal as well. So you want to make sure that for the animal that whatever you're slaughtering, that there is a kindness that goes along with that. Okay, so this is our slaughtering process. So next we will go to the defeathering and the gutting, and we'll go from there, step by step, guys. Thanks.